back to the Wolf HunterZ channel. It is me, Jon of the Wolf HunterZ, with the incredible
Dolly, hey!
And we are here to react to some music for you guys. Isn't that fun?
Woo!
Can't wait. We got social media links in the description box down below, guys.
Go check them out.
Yeah, do what Dolly said. I feel a little bit ridiculous. A little bit ridiculous. Today's request is brought to us by one of the most dopest individuals I've ever had the pleasure of talking with. It is Graham! Thank you so much for this request, Graham. And Graham has given us something very interesting. We're checking out 10cc. Art for art's sake.
Ooh, I like that
Now,
title.
yes. Now, my education in music is somewhat limited. So I know 10cc from their song on the Guardians of the Galaxy soundtrack.
Ah.
Not love. Don't forget it.
Spit a little bit.
It's just the phase I'm going through. That is my best impersonation of 10cc.
That was great.
But this is, I can't wait to check this out because this artist is just absolutely incredible. So thank you so much, Graham. You rock.
Thank you.
Before we get into that, though, remember, y'all, please help us out and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. And definitely comment below. My headphone cord was snagged on my chair. I thought I was going to die. It was very serious. Scooch over, Dolly. Scoot. Is that the best you got? All right,
That's all I got.
10cc, art for art's sake. Cannot wait to hear this. Ooh. Okay. Oh! Yes!
Give me your body. Give me your mind.
Oh.
Open your heart. Pull down your blind. Give me your love. Give me it all. Give me in the kitchen. Give me in the hall.
What?
Art for God's sake. Money for God's sake. Art for God's sake. Money for God's sake. Give me the ready.
Okay, wow. Wow. So we have a very ambient intro.
Song is spicy.
Yes, and because like the other 10cc song that I know is very like mellow. And then they got into one of the funkiest drops I've ever heard. I mean, it just made me want to dance. That was crazy. Wow.
Yeah.
Give me the cash. Give me a bowling. Give me a smash. Give me a silver. Give me a gold. Make it a million for when I get old. Art for God's sake.
Yes.
Money for God's sake. Art for God's sake. Money for God's sake.
Money talks, so listen to it. Money talks to me.
Hey.
Can't understand it. Money can't be beat. Oh no.
Oh. There's that cowbell.
When you get down to the root. Don't give a damn, don't give a hoot. Still gotta keep making the loot. Chauffeur driven.
Okay, this is so interesting how they are basically talking about art for art's sake, but then they're talking about money, like through the whole song, and like it's very interesting. It feels like maybe they're like kind of poking fun at the idea of being very materialistic, and so they're just throwing it out there. And then they've got like lines about love in here. It's just very like trippy. I'm like, what is the message exactly? I'm trying to grasp it. To me, it feels like they're saying they want to create art for art's sake, but then money's got to be made. So then it kind of like comes in and corrupts it or something like that.
I really like the vibe of the song. It's really dancey and catchy.
Yes.
And yeah.
It's so deep, but the whole time you're thinking deeply. You're just dancing
Yeah.
on the dance floor. So
They
I
did a really
love
good job.
that.
Gotta make her quick as you can. Give her love and make you a man. Get her in the palm of your hand. Bread from heaven.
Hey. Oh.
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 Give me a country where I can be free. Don't need the union
Hey.
burying me. Keep me in exile the rest of my days. Burn me in hell, but as long as it pays.
Hey.
Art for God's sake. Money for God's sake. Art for God's sake. Money for God's sake.
Wait a second, I just thought of something. This request is from Graham. And they said that Graham wrote this song.
Graham's father, right?
Well, it's based on Graham's father, but Graham wrote the song. Graham, did you write this song?
Did you write this?
You better not play with me! Did you write this song? Is that a coincidence? I don't know.
It's not.
Comment below. Did Graham, who wrote this song,
He's a
make
celebrity.
this request? I think he is. Graham, you're a celebrity. Stop
We're
it.
fangirling right now.
Yes. That's funny. Ooh.
That was really good. I like that
Oh
so
my
much.
gosh. Yo, that song was so good and funky and just amazingly well
Fun.
produced. And they had the cowbell. Boop, boop, boop. It was
really
just
like that.
so nice. And then that video was made by the 10cc official fan club.
Oh,
And
good
that's
job,
why they're
fan club.
yes, that's what I'm talking about. We need a Wolf HunterZ fan club making videos like this. Seriously, that was incredible. I love the editing and like all the effects that were going on, and then the facts that were going on the screen.
Yeah,
And,
that was really nice.
That was really cool. And Graham actually hit me up with some of those facts as well.
Because
shout out.
it was
Because
the same Graham.
because it's the lead of 10cc. Yeah, so this is very interesting. There was a split after this EP, but this is the whole gang together, and you can hear some magic.
Oh yeah.
Magic in this recording. Graham, thank you for this request.
Thank you.
It's incredible. Everybody who's hanging out with us, the 10cc Army, the 10cc-ites, the 10cc fan club. Thank you for being here. We love you guys. We can't do this without you. Stay positive, everyone. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
I just wanna bang my head.